Okay, folks, this is the exact reason why you need to be careful about who you choose to repair your garage door. Someone in the past, and the homeowner doesn't know who it was, attached this J-arm, that's what that's called, a J-arm, to this top strut that goes across the top of the door with a standard wood door bracket. That J-arm should have been attached down here. This is the proper bracket, but that J-arm should have been attached down here where this can support the load. The spring broke, making the door entirely too heavy for that to hold up. And it tore out this end stile down here. Now I've already shot a couple of screws into it. I'm going to try to salvage this by beating that back into place and see if it will hold, but I'm very doubtful it's going to hold up. I'm going to put a new strut up there and put this J-arm down here where it is supposed to be, take down the one spring and put two up there instead of just one, and see if this is going to work.